Right, well, I'll switch it on and see what happens. Well, we've got a light. Have we got any discharge? No idea. Certainly not getting a glowing plasma discharge from the end of it at the moment, but we do at least get LEDs alight. Right, I've turned the lights out. I'm just going to tease the end of the wire to start the discharge. There we go. Oh, can we see that? Probably not. I put my hand behind it. Can we see that? This is what we're looking at just here. That's interesting. My little snowman over there started reacting to it. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, he is. Right, I'll go and find some light bulbs or something, see if we can get this to light some light bulbs. I'll just zoom in a bit further. It's this tiny little light. Just putting my finger in line with it so you can see it. If I power off, there, gone. Power on. We've obviously not got quite enough power to get it going, but if I put something fairly close to it just to start it. There we go. Now in theory, adjusting that coil would make a difference. Being as this is the first one I've ever done, I'm not that keen on touching it. A lot of the guys you see on YouTube are playing around with them and sparking themselves. Yeah, that stopped it. Really tiny discharge I'm getting there. Yeah, I'll go and see if I can find a light bulb, see if we can light a light bulb. Okay, got the traditional CFL compact fluorescent light. So if I bring it into the right position, I better move the camera out, haven't I? Let's have a light back on as well. So yeah, there we go. At the moment we haven't even got the corona off the top of it. Just the tiniest one. Bring this into the right place. That's what people like to see, isn't it? So, it works. So I'm only using 19 volts on it. It says it can take 24 volts. So I'm probably not using it to its full potential. But there we are, job done. We have made a Tesla coil. I was watching one of the videos and there's quite a lot of debate as to whether it was a Tesla coil or a Slayer exciter. I'm no expert, I'm just going by what was written on the box. It was sold as a Tesla coil. I think if I want to put audio in there, we'll need more power this way to get more of a spark from it, because we're not getting enough discharge. Just before I put it away, I just put my hands near these heat sinks, and they are hot, so this is heating up. I've moved the one turn lower down, so when I switch it on now, we're getting a corona straight away. Can you see that? Not terribly exciting, is it? Well, we've moved on a stage now. We've got music. Got my phone plugged into the audio. We're currently playing, or we were, let's turn that back again. Skip with My Creole Band by Jingle Punks. That's from the YouTube audio library. No particular reason for choosing that. Other than the fact I won't get a problem with a copyright strike because it's YouTube's audio library. So it works. So we've got audio and we've got a corona discharge or plasma discharge, and we're working on 19 volts at the moment. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.